Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm going to show you this very glam makeup look for holiday. Today I decided to use a rose gold shade. This is amazing for holiday, so I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. So to begin, I'm gonna use a good eyeshadow base. This is the shade Persuade by Sigma Beauty. This is the stick base, and I really love it because it sticks the shadows in the place and make it last longer. You can use it by itself or even stick any eyeshadow of your preference right on top. So I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid, and to blend even more, I'm gonna just kinda remove the excess product with the tip of my fingers. And to create this makeup look today, I'm going to use the Rose Gold palette by Huda Beauty. I love this palette. The colors are so beautiful. And in my opinion, this is one of the best palettes ever. So I'm going to use it again. And to begin, I'm going to use this baby pink eyeshadow right in my crease because I love this color for transition shade. To apply, I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend in circular motions. This is the brush A25 by Sigma that I love so much. Next, to create a little more depth and dimension, I'm gonna use this warm brown eyeshadow in my crease. Again, using a fluffy blending brush. This brush is by BH Cosmetics. They are affordable and so good. In the other corner, I'm gonna apply this very dark brown eyeshadow using a small angled brush. This will give me more definition to create the harsh edge in this makeup look. And this brush that I'm using are from Pillowies. So I'm gonna apply this dark brown eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes, and also I'm gonna apply a little bit of this eyeshadow in the lower lash line to create more drama in this makeup look. Next, I'm gonna use the same warm brown eyeshadow just to blend the edges in the lower lash line using the same fluffy brush that I was using before. And now the start of the show, I'm gonna apply this amazing rose gold foiled eyeshadow. And to apply this eyeshadow, I need to use my fingers. So I'm gonna use just the tip of my fingers to apply all over the eyelid. With this eyeshadow, I gotta be careful, so I'm gonna be adding the product a little at a time. And next, I'm gonna use this very girly pinkish eyeshadow that is so beautiful with some reflect gold on it in the inner corner of my eyes. And next, I'm gonna apply this very light gold eyeshadow just to highlight the inner corner of my eyes with a very small brush. For blush, I'm gonna use this very cute blush by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is a kind of plum pinkish shade. I really love it. This color I have been using many times already in my channel, but I really love it because it looks so beautiful and healthy. and also it works for many skin shades. Next, I'm gonna use one of my favorite highlighters as well, and this is the Prismatic Highlighter Love Light by Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is the shade Blinded by the Light. I really love this one because it's kinda like a diamond and it looks so natural in the skin, but of course in this look I did apply it a lot so you can really see my highlighter, but if I apply just a little bit it looks way natural. Next, I'm gonna apply the lip contour by Ofra Cosmetics and the matte lipstick by Huda Beauty. All the products that I used here in this video will be listed down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. Happy holidays, and I see you in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!